Hi everybody, Chris Callahan here with UVM Extension Agricultural Engineering. Today we're going to talk about repairing concrete floors and specifically small cracks. I'm going to start out by chiseling out the crack just a little bit. This does a couple things. It widens the crack just a little bit so that we can actually get a good amount of quickset repair mortar in there. The other thing it does is expose a nice clean new face on the concrete in the crack, and that's important to make sure that the repair mortar is able to bond well. So I'm going to speed it up here a little bit. You can see using just a masonry chisel and a hammer, just kind of go along, kind of looking for, generally speaking, making maybe a pencil width crack into about a thumb width crack in a V shape, so sort of a V cross section. That chisel can be helpful for cleaning out the some of the bigger debris. And then we're going to grab a vacuum cleaner just to get rid of some of the stuff that we've chiseled out here. Get the bulk of it, go on either side of the crack just a little bit. Make sure you have a nice clean surface that you're going to be working with. You may find it helpful to grab the chisel and just work some of the bigger pieces out that are kind of stubborn and not coming out on their own. Again, what we're looking to do here is just widen a small crack into a slightly larger V cross-section face, exposing some good, fresh concrete, because over the years that this crack has developed, it's probably become quite dirty and with all sorts of stuff on that natural face that is gonna not bond particularly well with the repair mortar that we're going to be applying. This is what it looks like after we've widened the crack just a bit. You can see that's roughly finger width to thumb width. You could go wider in some areas as needed.